Happy Lunar New Year. You know, in San Francisco, where I lived and worked for years, on this night, the city ignites. Paper lanterns light the streets. Families get together. Parents let children stay up late. Everyone comes out to watch the parade with its marching bands and lion troops. It is a true celebration of Asian American culture and community. In fact, one of my favorite memories is attending the parade with my mother. She looked radiant always, and I remember her in particular with her red scarf and just having so much fun, surrounded by the warmth and love of the community. And of course, this year's festivities, they're gonna look a little different. And for some, any sense of joy will be mixed with grief and fear. Our country has lost far too many lives to COVID-19. Our community has experienced far too much racism and hate, and our neighbors have lost their jobs and risked their health on the front lines. But we still must have hope. As we welcome in the year of the ox, for the ox symbolizes strength and determination, persistence and resilience. So as we bring in this year, I am wishing all of you happiness, health, and prosperity. Happy Lunar New Year.